We feed the birds in our garden all the time. That is, every day, winter and summer. Consequently, there are a lot of birds about, mainly sparrows of one kind or another. We have visitors including pied wagtail and black redstarts who nest here, as well as the regulars like blue tits and great tits, robins and blackbirds. Here you can see some of the sparrows enjoying their daily bath in a little cascade that feeds into the large pond. This cascade is the next item for updating. We also get large numbers of goldfinch, normally for several weeks in February and March. Then from time to time there are garden visitors like hoopoe and now and again a golden oriole. There are nightingales in local trees in the spring and massive osprey nesting close by on the banks of the Loire. The artificial river here that feeds the pond is about 50 feet long and grows watercress from time to time. Now we come and continue with the commentary on the film. I don't know if I showed you this new terrace that we built this year. Ruth's been after me to build a terrace here at the side of the pond for 10 years or more. And this year we finally got it done. Here's the pond, and this is all the soil that came out of it to make the hole, so it's now got flowers and plants on it, and an enormous tree. It's a silver birch. It goes up, I don't know, 30-40 feet. And as well as making the terrace, we invested in a cascade. There used to be a plastic pipe just hanging out of the wall, out of the garden there, splashing into the pond, but I'm told this looks a lot better. I think it's true. And down here, they've seen me. They want some food. No, we've only just fed them. You can't have any more. There's the big koi. There used to be two of them, but one died in the heat the other year. Oh, they're going mad. He's there, look, can you see him? He had a partner. They've got a baby, a black one, who's in here, is very shy. But all these came from 8 fish. 4 or 6 goldfish, 2 koi. Here's a big one, just in the water there. 2 koi, and look at them all now. It's quite a decent size garden, quite a decent sized basin, as they call it here. I'm going to just take another shot. Here's another shot. We're looking at it from the west end now, and there's the cascade, some flowers. Here's the conservatory. I like flowers, as you can see. And here we've got, I call it a diplodocus. I don't know what it is in English, but it's beautiful. It's been flowering most of the summer. And there's its mate, a pink one. Now they came from Aldi. And here's the other side of the terrace, how we get in. You can see it's very nice now in the summertime, especially it gives us some shade in the heat. This is just out of the sun. And then for the heat of the sun we have sunshades for the pond to stop the fish getting too hot. There's a river up there which I rebuilt it last year to make it deeper and wider. More about that another time. And with the last shot of the cascade, we're off.